Greetings to all. I am Deva Prasad, your yoga instructor. Today I would like to give some guidelines for the practice of yoga and breathing exercises. Always learn breathing techniques and yoga poses from a qualified and experienced yoga instructor. Start the practice of breathing exercises and yoga poses with a short relaxation. A quick relaxation, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. And conclude with a deep relaxation, 10 to 15 minutes of Shavasana. Morning is the best time for the practice of yoga because our bowels are empty and we are fresh after a long rest. However, for people who are busy, the second best time is evening. To practice yoga effectively, one's clothing must be loose and comfortable. There must be at least 3 to 4 hours of time gap between heavy meal and yoga poses. It is better to start yoga with empty bowels. The empty stomach will give you more freedom for the practice of breathing exercises and yoga poses. The sick, especially those who have undergone surgery and who are suffering from heart disease, blood pressure, hernia, and eye or ear problems, must consult their physician and the yoga instructor before attempting to practice yoga poses. Remember, if you have any severe or persistent health problem, meet your doctor as early as possible. It is better to practice the yoga poses on a yoga mat. Silence helps us to concentrate and to devote all our attention to our breathing and other bodily movements. Therefore, maintain complete internal and external silence. Internal silence means our mind should not wander here and there. Practice with full concentration and awareness. Feel and experience each movement of your body and the flow of the air in and out of your lungs during your inhalation and exhalation. If you have any pain or uneasiness in your body during the practice of yoga poses, inform the yoga instructor immediately without any hesitation. Breathe only through the nostrils. Breathing must be natural and gentle, and you could experience the unbroken and gradual flow of breath, especially during relaxation and meditation. While you practice yoga poses, all the movements must be slow, rhythmic, and without strain. While you practice yoga poses, please do not go beyond your natural toleration. Stretching or bending to one's utmost ability is not at all the ideal in yoga poses. Practice all yoga poses with the rhythm of your breathing. Relaxation is very important while we practice yoga. Therefore, before you begin a new posture, make sure that you are relaxed and your breathing is normal. Women who have some difficulties during their menstrual periods may avoid difficult yoga poses. They can practice yoga during their pregnancy, but breathing exercise should not include long stretches or holding one's breath. After the initial months of pregnancy, face-down poses should be avoided. Read some literature on yoga so that you may know more about the art and philosophy of yoga. Then a few guidelines for the online yoga. For online yoga session, you may receive an invitation to join the class through Zoom, maybe 5 to 10 minutes before the beginning of each session. One session may be minimum 60 minutes. It may go up to 75 or 90 minutes. So always get ready to spend 90 minutes for the class. Make sure that there is enough distance between the place of your practice and the camera. That may be 10 to 15 feet so that your instructor can see your practice. Since this yoga class is online, it has its own limitations. Remember, there is no physical presence of your instructor near you to help you. Therefore, you are responsible for all your activities during the class. Listen carefully and follow the instructions of your instructor. Set up your laptop, camera, and yoga mat before the beginning of the session. Make sure that there is complete silence during the class so that all the participants can hear the voice of the instructor clearly. If there is any disturbance at home, for example, sound of your pets or the conversation of other family members, please switch off your microphone. If you like to ask any questions or you need any clarification during the class, please raise your hand, switch on the microphone and ask. Or you may ask after the class. Thank you.